Hey guys, let's make some egg rolls. This recipe I developed myself. I've made a little bit of adjustment here and there to enhance the flavor and the texture of the egg roll. So let's get cooking, guys. If you're new to this page, welcome. Let's get right into it. So first we're going to start by boiling our eggs. I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe, so we're going to add that into the pot, add some water into that and cover to let cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. While that cooks, we are going to start our dough preparations. I'm going to go in with the flour first, adding some baking powder, some salt, and the flavor enhancer, which is the grounded cloves. Then we're gonna go in with some sugar, not too much, just 2 tablespoons is just perfect for this recipe. Mix that all up, give it a good stir. Then you want to add a tablespoon of butter. Mix that up and it's going to look a little lumpy. So now you want to break an egg into a separate bowl, give it a good whisk, and then add it into the flour mixture. After adding, we want to give this a good mix to incorporate the egg into the flour mixture, after which we're going to add our milk. So I'm using a little bit more milk than normal, and you're going to feel it in the texture of the egg roll, so don't worry, this is about to get lit. So guys, after adding the milk, you want to knead your dough and keep kneading until you get a dough as nice as this. If it's a little bit on the hard side, you can add a little bit of water to loosen it up a bit and you're good to go. After kneading for about 5 to 10 minutes, you want to cover and let rest for another 10 minutes. So while that was resting, I decided to peel my eggs, and get that ready. So after that, now we're going to just knead the dough a little bit to smoothen it out, and then you're going to divide the dough into 5 places since we are making 5 egg rolls today. So if you want to make more egg rolls, all you need to do is to double, triple, just increase the measurements to your specification and you get the quantity of egg rolls that you want. So now you just want to shapen your dough, flatten it up, add in the egg and kind of squish and roll the dough until you get a ball-like shape. Then you can use your hand to pat it down to smoothen up the dough so you get a smooth texture after frying. So now right now, while kneading the dough and shaping my egg rolls, I already placed a pot on the stove and I added some oil to that and made sure it's hot enough before adding my egg rolls into that. So now I'm just gonna wait for it to cook and fry up until it's golden brown, looking nice and beautiful like this. And guys, also make sure that the temperature of your cooker is on low heat. Yes, that's very important to ensure that the egg rolls cook through. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.